This device will test the mobile signal strength on the network that Kurloo uses. We've put a SIM card in the device already, so it's ready for you to set up and get testing. First, take the large antenna and screw it into the socket on the left-hand side of the device. Make sure the antenna is positioned straight. Press the power button at the bottom left of the device. Wait up to a minute for the screen to show. Once the screen has appeared, you should see RSRP, which stands for the Reference Signal Received Power, and Telstra and SIM Ready. This means that there is a connection. Now it's time to test the strength of that connection. Click the up arrow on the right-hand side to select Scan Signal and press OK. The variables will ideally say high or strong at the top. Press the up arrow twice until the screen shows Signal Scanning, then press the down arrow twice to select Send Data to Server and press OK. Then, with Send Scan Data selected, press OK. If everything is all good, you should see the message Acquiring GPS Signal. You'll then see the message Internet Connect Waiting. Wait up to a minute. When you see the message Connected to Server, Data Sending Mode, and Success appears at the bottom of the screen, it means the data has successfully been transferred to the Kurloo servers. Repeat these steps to scan the location of each proposed Kurloo site. If the signal is weak or below, then the data won't be able to send to the server. This means that Kurloo isn't likely to work on its own. We'll still need to capture this information so we can help you assess the best course of action. Call us at Kurloo and we'll guide you through what to do next.